What's the meaning of blankety-blank? Blankety-blank. Blankety-blank.
Blankety-blank. Blankety-blank. Blankety-blank is a colloquial expression used to replace offensive or vulgar language. It is often used as an alternative to curse words or other derogatory terms that may be considered inappropriate in certain social settings. The phrase is believed to have originated in the early 20th century and has since become a common idiom in English-speaking countries. The repetition of the word blank conveys a sense of frustration or annoyance, as if the speaker is struggling to find the right words to express their emotions. Overall, blankety-blank serves as a euphemism for language that is deemed unsuitable for polite conversation.